BTC fluctuates. El Salvador plans a Bitcoin city powered by a volcano. Bitcoin had a less than convincing weekly close, failing to hold perceived critical support lines. However, at least one prominent analyst believes that a lengthening bull market cycle is unfolding. Meanwhile, disregarding concerns about blow-off tops, El Salvador's BTC-obsessed president is planning to construct Bitcoin City at the base of a volcano. At the time of press, the total cryptocurrency market capitalization is down 3% from yesterday's close, according to CoinGecko data, and is hovering around the $2.7 trillion mark. It's predominantly red all the way down the market capitalization charts, including the top 100 coins. Market health indicators Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, both fell roughly 4.5% over the last 24 hours. Avalanche, AVAX, has meanwhile broken into the top 10, relegating Dogecoin, DOGE, to the doghouse, number 11, for the time being. Avalanche appears unstoppable at the moment, though it will have to come to a halt at some point, having recently reached another all-time high of $144.96. It is up about 3% in the last day. According to the excellent American crypto YouTuber and quantitative data analyst Benjamin Cohen, Bitcoin needed to close the week at least $59,300 to see likely additional short-term upside. That was the 8-week moving average. Cohen cites the Bitcoin bull market support band, which is currently below current levels, as a possible area for the OG cryptocurrency to fall and retest as support. That band is formed by the combination of Bitcoin's 20-week simple moving average and its 21-week exponential moving average, and it is currently forming a range of approximately $51,000 to $53,000. He is not predicting that it will fall that low, or that it must, merely that it is a critical area to hold. Cohen believes that if the 8-week moving average is not quickly reclaimed, which may be slightly higher than $59,300 by the time you hear this, Bitcoin will likely remain stuck for at least a couple of weeks between the 20-week and 8-week moving averages. And that could mean some sideways action between approximately $53,000 and $59,000. This weekly close is not the end of the world, according to the analyst, and the market's overall structure remains relatively bullish. He is a strong believer in a lengthening bull cycle this time around and does not believe in another blow-off top peak and subsequent market capitulation in December or January, as occurred during the 2017-18 bull market cycle. Meanwhile, fellow analyst Rect Capital is looking ahead to Bitcoin's November monthly close. Around $58,700 is the end-of-month level he believes BTC must maintain in order for the market to maintain its strength as the year draws to a close. El Salvador continues its celebrations, announcing the establishment of Bitcoin City. Just when you thought El Salvador President Nayib Bukele couldn't get any more bullish on Bitcoin, he announced that his Central American nation, which legalized BTC in September, will build a Bitcoin city right next to a volcano. The backwards cap-wearing president made the announcement on stage at El Salvador's Bitcoin Week 2021 celebration yesterday, amid fireworks and colorful presentations and in front of a crowd of phone-flashing fans. Bitcoin City will have its own residential and commercial districts, as well as restaurants and a plaza, Bukele confirmed in a tweet. He also revealed that residents would be exempt from income tax, property tax, capital gains tax, and payroll tax, but would be required to pay a 10% value-added tax to fund infrastructure and services. Bukele announced that the city will be initially financed with $1 billion in Bitcoin bonds. and $500 million will go towards energy and mining infrastructure development, with the remainder going towards, you guessed it, was previously used to reinvest in Bitcoin. Bitcoin City will be built near the Concagua volcano, with a power plant nearby to provide geothermal energy for the city and for Bitcoin mining. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents.